Welcome to this week's Weekly Roundup, which is on location. This week we learned a bit about how animals and plants are adapted for where they live. So things like polar bears live in cold places because they're adapted for living in cold places. Camels live in hot places because they're adapted for living in hot places. We also had to learn how to use these things. And the question you'd like to get in the SQA is, what would you use to measure something? So for light, you'd measure light intensity. You would use a light meter. For pH, you would use a pH meter. And for you use a meter, which I'm not going to say. They would also want to know what things could go wrong. So the light meter is this bit here, and the thing that can go wrong with it is your shadow might fall on it. So you have to make sure the light meter is pointing up the way, and your shadow's not falling on it. That's the precautions for that one. And for the probes here, what you have to do is you might have already measured something with it before. So you have to make sure that you wipe the probe clean before you use it. And that means that you're measuring what you actually think you're measuring. You're not measuring the previous soil sample. And that's what we did this week.